Imagine an AI that can make videos, edit them, and even write code for you in minutes. I've been testing this, and honestly, it's insane. You can remove anything from a picture, add anything you want, and it just works. It doesn't stop there. It can literally handle images, videos, and even coding all in one tool. So stay with me. I'm about to show you exactly how I created a full video in minutes, and you'll see why this AI is next level. Let's go. You have to see this for yourself. This is Qwen AI. You can search for it in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, you'll notice a lot of features from image generation, video creation, coding, editing, and more. There's literally so much you can do with this tool. But let me show you the thing that shocked me the most, the video generation. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. First, I clicked on video generation. Then, using the AI, I typed in my prompt to create the video. Here's exactly what I asked it to do. Create a video of a young lady seated in her tech studio, looking at the camera in front of her and saying, "Creating AI videos just got easier." Ensure her lips are synchronized. Her voice should be natural, realistic, and also match the person you are creating. After typing in the prompt, I selected my aspect ratio in this case. I chose 16:9 because I wanted a YouTube-style landscape video. Once that was set, I went ahead and clicked generate and waited just a few seconds. And here's what we got.
Creating AI videos just got easier.
Look at this, you can see how amazing this video turned out. The video quality is crisp, the scene is exactly as I described, and the audio perfectly synced. Every detail follows the instructions from the prompt. This is why getting the voice right is so important. You don't want to generate a video of a young lady and end up with a man's voice. Everything has to match perfectly. The next thing I'm going to try is uploading my own image, the picture of this young black lady right here. While still on the video generation page, I tap the plus icon and upload the image. Once the picture is uploaded, I simply tell the AI, use this uploaded image to create a video. Make the video look realistic, make the voice match perfectly, and I want her to say, "Let's create AI videos with Jane." Then I hit send. After a few moments, the AI generates the video.
Let's create AI videos with Jane.
And honestly, this is unbelievable. The lip sync is clean, the voice matches the face, and it says exactly what I typed. This is insanely good. Next, we're going to try the image generation feature. On the interface, I select image generation, then paste my prompt describing exactly the image I want to create. I also pick the aspect ratio, hit send, and in just a few seconds, the AI generates this incredible image. Look at this, the quality is insane. 4K resolution, crystal clear, and exactly what I asked for. Every detail matches the description perfectly. Now, after generating the image, I downloaded it and went back to the interface. Here's where it gets even crazier. I want to remove the cat from this image while keeping everything else exactly the same. Next, I went ahead and clicked on Image Edit. Then I tapped on the image icon to upload the picture, the one that had the cat in it. Once the image uploaded, I simply typed a prompt asking the AI to remove the cat while keeping everything else exactly the same. And just watch this. It removed the cat perfectly without touching anything else in the picture. This is crazy. You can literally remove anything you don't want or add anything you do, all while keeping the rest of the image untouched. It's fast, clean, and just works flawlessly. Going back to the interface, you'll notice a space where you can type anything you want, just like ChatGPT. It even says, "Hi, how can I help you?" And from here, you can start a text-to-text conversation with the AI. So I just typed in exactly what I needed, hit send, and instantly, the AI gave me the answers I was looking for. It's fast, accurate, and super intuitive, like having your own personal assistant built right into this tool. Honestly, this part blew me away. You can ask it anything, get answers, generate text, or even get suggestions all in real time. Another amazing feature of this AI is coding. On the interface, you'll see an option to code, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. I typed in this, Can you write a simple HTML page that shows a blue button saying, "Click me," and when clicked, it shows an alert? I hit send, and just like that, the AI generated the full code for me. Even if you're not a coder, you can copy this and see it working instantly. When I open the page, there's the blue button. The AI makes coding this easy. You don't need to know all the technical stuff yourself. Honestly, seeing it generate working code in real time is mind-blowing. This is next-level stuff. After exploring every feature of this AI, I have to say, I couldn't find a single payment plan. That's right, all of this, completely free. And for a free AI, the things you can do are insane. You can generate videos, edit images, remove objects, code, and even create videos without any watermark. Honestly, I've tested so many AI tools, and nothing comes close to this. It beats any AI I've seen so far, hands down. The possibilities are just limitless. If you've been curious about AI and what it can really do, this is definitely one to check out. Trust me, you'll be blown away. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tutorials, hacks, and amazing AI tools like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.